Hey team, welcome back. This is the channel you get updates in tech and lifestyle. And this is Riley, and this is Riley Reviews.
Yay! Okay, so if you guys seen our last video, I'll link it up here, and that is where we unboxed this Huawei MatePad T8 Kids Edition. And Riley has been using it for like what? A week? More than a week? A couple of days? Huh? This is a follow-up video of the Huawei MatePad T8 Kids Edition. Here we will be answering some questions that was commented on the first video. Okay, so but before we answer those questions, make sure that you guys are subscribed. Many of you are not subscribed to this channel if you guys are watching our videos, so make sure that you do subscribe. Riley would appreciate it. We would love it if you guys are subscribed. So, okay, on to answering those questions. From Justin Paraiso, he asked where that is made. My guess is he's asking in Santogawa, or where is this made? I don't know, but the head office or headquarters of Huawei is in Shenzhen, China. So there. Next is from Kevin McFlurry. Yes, is it free? If you're asking about the tablet, no, it's not free. But the case and the pen that goes with the purchase of this tablet is free, along with other items. So I'll put it on the screen right now so you guys can see. From Desiree, how much po yan? Okay, this tablet is 8,999 pesos. You can check out the Shopee link down below, and you can also check out yung Huawei consumer store nila, which I will also link down below. And if you purchase this within the like certain date, or ano ko, may period lang, certain period, you also get freebies of up to 8,996. Almost the same price, the price of the tablet, and also yung price ng freebies that goes along with the purchase of the Huawei MatePad T8. From Rachel Ferrer, is it good to use for online schooling? Okay, it really depends on the apps that you use. For Riley, she uses Zoom. Others, they say they use Microsoft Teams or Google Meet. And I was able to download some of it dito sa app na to actually. So you guys will be able to see. Some might not be available sa Huawei App Gallery, but there will be results when you search sa Huawei App Gallery dun sa Petal Search. So may lalabas dun, you can get apps from there. Now, if wala dun yung app na you're trying to look for, you can check out yung APK Pure. This is usually where I get some of the apps na are not available or not listed sa Huawei App Gallery. Here I was able to get the Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and yung Zoom. No? So it works on this tablet, so you won't have any problems using this tablet to attend online classes for your kids. What are you playing? Wow, high score. Dead. Ow! Si Riley also has the Seesaw app, which she uses to upload yung mga schoolwork niya, and you'll get to see some of it as I flash it here on the screen right now. So she uses that. Dito I was able to get then a lower, an earlier version of the app. Not too old, but I was able to get some a version of the app that works for this tablet. So there's always a workaround when you get the Huawei MatePad T8. So you'd be able to get it din naman dito sa tablet. For online schooling, it works. Yung Google Meet pala, I was able to get it through the G-Space app. It's you can search it sa Huawei App Gallery. And if you check out my previous video, which I will also link up here, there's an instruction there towards the end of the video where you can see and how you can get yung G-Space and other Google apps like YouTube, Gmail, Google Maps. Okay, so you won't have any problems with that. And I hope I was able to address your questions. If you don't have a laptop or PC, this will definitely do. Yung Huawei MatePad for your kids online schooling. The camera works just fine, no? It's nice, it's clear. The microphone, and also syempre, you know, yung speaker.
Yay! 15 coins!
And if ayaw mo naman mag-speaker, meron siyang 3.5 jack on the side which you can plug in a headset or a headphone for your kids. It also has a 2 gig RAM and a 16 gig storage. Now, expandable din to up to 512 gig. You can install a lot of apps here, pero just be cautious din kasi 2 gig lang yung RAM niya. As long as you don't run those apps simultaneously, your online schooling would be fine. From Jocelyn Persigas, malaki screen niya. How much po? Screen size is 8 inches, LCD type with 1280 by 800 resolution. From Clyde, Pataling Hug. May SIM card po ba? May SIM card slot po ba? Yes, one slot. Yung katabi niya is yung micro SD. From Sarah Jane, Tunakaw, hi Riley, may Google Play Store ba siya? Is it expandable? Yes, there is an easy workaround to get the Google apps that you need. Who sent it? Sarah Jane. Let's say hi to Sarah Jane.
Hi, Sarah Jane.
Yes, there is an easy workaround on the apps if you want to get the Google apps that you need, and also yung other apps which I mentioned earlier. So, yes, don't worry, you can get the apps that you need for whatever purpose and for online schooling. Alright, so those are some of the questions that we, I guess, hopefully addressed. Right now, let's ask our professional reviewer, Riley. Riley, I need to ask you a question. Okay, so Riley, what apps do you use? Do you use?
I use Zoom.
Azumi.
I like the flip.
Ah, okay, the games. Because Azumi have games and videos also, right? The jumping game. Do you use the YouTube Kids app?
And I always lose. It's great. I like the Zoom and
Alright, so me, Riley, what I like about this is the case.
Protects the tablet when you fall down. Look.
Yeah, you always drop that tablet. How many times did you drop that tablet already? Oh! Okay, so this 8-inch tablet made from food grade silicone, so it's really safe for kids even if you eat it the food grade. No. Another thing is that this is easy to use even for kids. No, you like the Kids Corner app, which I like. Also, like I said, it controls then yung time and also the apps that Riley use and the videos that she watches. So at least I know, I'm confident that the media that she consumes are safe. Okay, and lots of apps for kids. The only comment that I have for this is yung pen niya. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, no? Or maybe you're just swiping so fast. And what I noticed kasi here, you know, you don't know. There's a screw here. Riley, I saw this eh. The black one fell down, no? This one's broken na actually. Yeah, so I saw a tear on the silicone or plastic already. And inside this is a screw that makes sure it holds this one. So be careful where you put it. Or did you bite this?
No.
Okay. Okay, so that is it. That is our review. Any final words? Anything that you would like to tell them about the Huawei MatePad T8? Do you like the tablet or not?
I love it!
What's the tablet's name?
Huawei.
Huawei MatePad. Sabihin mo. MatePad.
Huawei MatePad
T8.
T8.
Okay, guys, so that is it for our final review. And Riley approves. Give them a thumbs up. Riley, thumbs up. Approves. Okay, so if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so that you get notified on future updates. My name is Mike, and this is Riley.
Reviews.
Reviews. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Bye.